it's evening over here, just driving on this country road. Hopefully you're having a good weekend and you're enjoying yourself in whatever you're doing. Take it easy and take care of yourself and those you love. As you can see, it's not busy over here. It's just a country road in the cities. Speed limit I think is like 25, 30, whatever. But just driving slowly here. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting. Smash that like button and also subscribe if you want. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching our videos playlist and giving us a like. You can also share. If you're already a subscriber, of course, this channel is growing because of you. Once again, take it easy. Let's drive together here. It's just a short drive. This country road isn't that big. Long, not big. Isn't that long. They have really nice houses over here, to the left and to the right. Alright, once again, thank you so much for joining me here, short drive, and take it easy, take care of yourself, continue watching, supporting our channel, our videos here. Peace out.